Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make a shirt dress. You'll be needing your fabric, tape, scissors, tailor's chalk. Fold your fabric. Leave 2 inches for button extension. Mark the shoulder stroke by 1 inch, neck width of 3 inches and 3 inches for neck depth. Fold in 2 inches for the button extension. Input all the desired measurements. Come up by 2 inches at the gown length and connect. It should look like this after cutting. It should look like this with the button extension. Add 0.5 inch dart. Come down by 1 at the shoulder. It should look like this after cutting the 1 inch. Add the 1 inch to the back shoulder. Connect as seen. The 1 inch you used will make the back bodice rest on the front bodice. You will have something like this. Cut a basic sleeve. Cut the collar and attach together.